Meet your home's new security guard. Set up in minutes to begin securing your home instantly. No outlets needed. Enjoy easy, wire-free installation anywhere. Complete setup with the user-friendly Tapo app. Get instant alerts when people are detected in the view.
Hello, please put the package on the ground.
You are being recorded. Prevent package theft with ease. Block specific areas from being recorded to maintain the privacy of your household and your neighbors. View live streams and recorded footage in sharp 1080p. 180-day battery life. Supports up to 512 GB micro SD for local recording.